Hello guys, so today I am going to start to open store on Shopify. First we will write the Shopify, and whatever comes on the first link we will tap on the first link, and here we will write our Gmail, verified Gmail, which we are much using this Gmail. So let's start with the Gmail. Yes, whenever you put on your effort to open Gmail account, it will get the password which you want to ensure that this for upcoming series. So here I'm just creating the Shopify store. Yes, Shopify store has been created. So thing is that you must wait for a while to let's see that this store has been opened or not, so it might take a while. Yes, so I just playing around. I am not just sending product yet, I am sending just not online. So the third option is correct. If you are a shopkeeper and you want to sell online, that is only for you. Online only, in personal only, both. Yes, both is correct because you have a good good collection of that. How many location do you have? I just want to only one location. That is good. Color reveal shopkeep. You are shopkeeper, so shopkeeper. I want to start a new business. Yes. What is your current revenue? What is your current revenue? I think I have a current revenue is almost 50,000 to PKR per month. Yes, this is talking about that. What type of shop you have? I have a beauty related shop. Yes, now I'm going to extend. Here you must write the fill the form, this form. And yes, this form is really you might have know that the address, my address is Mehran Colony, so I'm putting my address also. And apartment, leave apartment right now, and city Nawab Shah. Good. My postal code is 67450. Yes, this is my postal code, and I hope you understand that. And my number, any kind of number, maybe I could, I want, maybe I received, and business person website. No, this is yes. Now I'm almost opening the closed from this one. You are seeing that. This is very much important to know. Yes, I have now created this account. What we want to say, add product.